Yo, what is good, everybody? Welcome back to krabstrades. Today we're going to be doing just a quick trade recap of how I made 1K on my Top Step live account, as well as how I made 1K on my AMP Futures live account as well. And I also took this trade across all my prop firm accounts. So yeah, overall, very clean Asia session. And I had a pretty clear draw coming into the session, which was all-time highs above. And yeah, let's break down pretty much what I saw here. So first thing, all-time highs, that was my draw on liquidity. When we're trading at all-time highs, I'm pretty much just targeting all-time highs. So let's start on the 4-hour time frame here. What do we see? Super bullish closure, market structure shift on the 4-hour, and we had all-time highs above. Let's go down to the hourly. What do I see? All right, I see that we're pretty bullish. Let's go on ES as well. Do we have any SMTs on the hourly? Let's see. So yes, we actually do have a SMT right here, and this SMT actually might be more clear on the 15-minute. See, yes, it is right there, SMT. So this SMT also rejected a bullish order block on the 15-minute. So this is helping me determine my bias right here as well. And on the 15-minute, we're shifting structure to the upside, closed above the structure here, the CISD inverse order block as well, which we then tapped into the inverse order block right here. It's actually an inverse order block, which we retapped, rejected right away. Once we had to run lower, SMT, I took a long. I did take a break even before this, right here, right there. So if you look at the executions, it was actually a break even before it. So right here, one break even, and then the one went after. So on the break even, I actually did not size properly. I was risking a little bit less than I should have. Oh wait, no, I was risking 5 points. So 5 points for 10 points pretty much, and it ended up edging my TP. Yeah, that's what happened. I forgot for a second, but yeah, took that break even. Dude, it's honestly crazy how close it came to my TP. Like, if you look at this, it's crazy. Dude, it's just crazy, but it's all good. It's all good because we got the re-entry. I almost crashed out after this, dude. Edging my TP like that. No, I'm playing. I didn't crash out. I don't care. But yeah, edged my TP, right? And then everything was still valid here. So that's why I was allowed to take a re-entry. Everything was still all good. You know, we had the 15-minute order block, inverse order block rejected. Also here, we had this unfilled 15-minute fair value gap, which got rebalanced right there, 15-minute rebalance, and price was just holding that zone. As well as if we look at this fair value gap, we are holding CE of the fair value gap, the 50% right there. Inverse order block tapped, rejected right away. And damn. And yeah, draw ended up being perfect. All-time highs, nice. But yeah, overall, let's see what draw would have been. 1 of 5. Okay. Dude, I really gotta start holding runners low-key on some accounts. Yeah, I think next week I'm gonna start holding some runners low-key just on some accounts, because my external draw nowadays is like on point. When it works, it really works. So yeah, that's something I'm gonna do going forward, but only on some accounts for sure, because the 1 of 2s, they're literally so consistent. I can catch a 1 of 2 like every session almost. But yeah, it's just the way that I love trading. I love scalping. I really am a scalper. I'll take my 1 and 2 and I'll walk away, and I'll do that in every session, and that really does add up. And of course, there will be losses here and there, but I'm good with 1K a day, honestly, per account. But yeah, overall, really good Asia session. And if you guys have any questions about this setup, make sure to comment below. But overall, really simple setup as well right here. 10 p.m. just opened up lower, so 4-hour candle manipulated lower into a bullish SMT. So ES took out this low, NQ did not. So we kind of had these double SMTs here on the re-entry as well. Entry was off this 15-second inverse order block right there. Once we closed above the order block, shifted structure, that's when I got in. Boom, 5-point stop loss, 5 points for 10 points right there. Stop loss was based on that SMT wick low, protected stop loss right there. So as long as my drawn liquidity was correct, I knew that price wouldn't want to take out that low pretty much. But yeah, overall pretty simple trade, simple draw, all-time highs. Just want to keep longing. And yeah, longs have been playing out all week. So yeah, we'll keep longing until we shift structure to the downside on the 4-hour or the hourly, or not really the hourly, on the 4-hour or the daily. But yeah, other than that, pretty simple session, very, very clean. And yeah, took my entry here off the 15 seconds, so it was once we closed above this OB here. Or wait, no, I entered off the 30 second. Yeah, 30 second. Inverse order block right there. Once we closed above, got in. But yeah, overall, very clean session. Clean draw, everything was good. And yeah, green day. So yeah, overall, good week. I was traveling a lot this week, so I wasn't trading too much. But yeah, that's also why I haven't posted on here in a while. I was not signed into YouTube on my laptop, so I really couldn't post. But yeah, next time I travel, I gotta make sure I remember my YouTube password, because or else I can't post trade recaps. But yeah, overall, banger day. About to go sleep. It is 1:21 a.m. right now, July 18th, 2025. And yeah, also low-key, I could request a top step payout if I want. But I don't know, we'll see. I could just keep building this account so then I can start risking like a rack. Because they do have a scaling type, John. But yeah, we'll see. Might just take a payout and then I can just get more accounts. I might get some, low-key might get, I was looking at this one prop firm called Funding Ticks. They have a really good payout rule. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. Just quick little trade recap for you guys, and hope everyone's doing well. Also, if you want to work with me one-on-one, if you're still not yet funded, if you're still struggling to get consistent prop firm payouts, or you're just not where you want to be in your trading, you're still kind of lost, then I actually do guarantee to work with you one-on-one until you're funded over 6 figures with prop firms, and until you start to receive your first ever payouts. If that's something that you're interested in, there is Mr. Riley Botha. There is a link here in the description of this video. It's the first link, and you can apply to work with me one-on-one if you're qualified to work with me. If I think that we're a good fit to work together. If you're serious, I only work with students that are like 10 out of 10 serious about learning trading. If you are interested in that, fill out that form. If not, it's all good. And yeah, if you want to trade live with me as well, I'm live every single morning, 10 to 11 a.m. Eastern. And yeah, you can watch me execute live, all that good stuff. But yeah, any questions, drop them below. If you're new here, drop how long you've been trading for and where you're at in your journey. Are you already profitable? Are you on evals? Are you on a funded? Are you trading live capital? I just want to know kind of where everyone's at. And comment below. Let's run up these comments. I'll reply to everyone, by the way. But yeah, also if you guys aren't in the free community, make sure to join that up. Link for that is in, I believe, in my bio, in the link tree in here. Or I don't even know. Is it? It's somewhere. You gotta find it. Let's see. There's the link for it somewhere. I don't even know. If you want the link for that, just DM me on Discord or something. But yeah, I do have a free community as well. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. Overall, students have been killing it. Matt actually took the same exact trade as me. Oh, he took the same exact trade. And he took it on his own. So yeah, I really do teach how to literally execute my model. I did not call this out. And he still took the same trade. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, he saw the exact same things. 15-minute inverse order block that we tapped. SMT. Shift and structure. He got in off the 1 minute. Beautiful. 1 and 2. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So beautiful. New exclusive member as well. Nice. Linus has been killing it. He just got funded as well with Top Step. Best secure payout with that John. But yeah, overall, it's a Venom model. I don't even know what that is. Rare Venom model. Is that ICT model? I don't even know. But yeah, overall, Linus best secure payout. He's absolutely killing it. Express, let's go. Fully green week, no losing days. But yeah, overall, I'm gonna catch you guys. I don't even know what I'm doing right now. I'm just kind of, dude, it's 1 a.m. I'm tired. Oh my, like, bro, what? Dude, what? Alright, I gotta go to sleep because I'm crashing out right now. But yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys. Love you all. Peace out. Subscribe for more trade recaps just like this. And yeah, till next time, love you all. Peace out.